Hey everybody, today I'm going to be attempting to make a Loomoji Ghostemane bracelet. I say attempting as if it's not gonna work. I know it'll work. It'll probably be really awesome. You know, it's just gonna be like a rainbow loom bracelet that says Ghostemane on it with the new Loomoji charms. Let's just get right into actually making this bracelet. Okay, so I'm gonna start off by cutting all of the letters off of the sheet. So now I have my letters all cut out. Some of them are backwards and everything, but it's fine because I'm not setting them up how I want them yet, so. And sorry that there's like dog hair all over everything. Dog hair just sticks to everything, you know? So now I'm just going to go through and cut off the little extra bit that you get right there. So usually is what you would do is you would make the bracelet on the loom and then put the letters on there and then loop it and everything. But using the loom, whenever you use a loom, it kind of twists bands up, and usually that's not too big of a deal, and it really isn't. But I would like to see if I can make one of these bracelets with just a hook, and if it does work, I'll probably make a video at some point that's like a tutorial of how to make a Loomoji bracelet without a loom. So I'm going to be using black, green, and white. So I'm just going to take my first band and loop it on. And here is the finished bracelet. I think it looks pretty cool. I'm just gonna have to probably add a couple more bands so that it will fit my wrist, and then I will put an E-clip on it. So now the bracelet is all done. I really love how it turned out. I really like the color combination. Let me know what you guys want to see me do with my Loomoji stuff next. And if you have any questions, ask me in the comments down below. That is it for this video. If you have any questions, just ask me in the comments down below. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to give me a thumbs up. And if you like my channel and the videos I post, make sure to subscribe, as well as follow my Instagram. Other than that, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.